The Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration has continued the drive on checking the quality of cashews. We've been doing this for the past 6 months, and continuously a lot of checks have been done in the Calangute beach belt. And from the earlier drives, all the non-compliances that were seen, the cases have been booked with the collector and fines have also been imposed. After a gap of few days, we have started the drives again. What we have noticed here is two things. One is that vendors are still found playing around with the weight of the packet. There is a difference of 100 grams in a kg. That is what we have observed. And we've also observed that still there is a few mix packing happening. The only difference is from the earlier drives, the mixing was from an unpalatable oily cashew that used to be done earlier. That has been stopped. We have not found that. But we have still seen that mixing is now happening between a lower grade and a higher grade. This is a non-compliance, and we have drawn sample from this particular shop of Goa Kaju in the Calangute area, and the cases will also be filed. We will also be rechecking the earlier premises again, and if non-compliances is found in the same premises, this time there will be a cancellation of the license against such vendors.
काजू बी सीज केल्लो आसा आयज
काजू आयज सीज केल्लो आसा आनी सॅम्पलूय काडलेले आसा ते आमी लॅबान धाडलेले आसा. On prima facie, it is looking that the sample will fail, and once the sample fails, we will file a case. The sample is drawn from the shop of these premises, and here we have found that he is storing cashew in a place without license. This also we have taken into custody, and a case will be booked against this vendor here as well. Another two premises also we have closed today: Balaji Cashew and Patel Cashew in the Calangute area. Here the primary offence was that they were playing around with the weight of the packet, and they have been meddling with the weighing machine. So we will also write to the Department of Legal Metrology and take this issue with them as well.
सो देवरून कितको काजू सीज केल्लो आसा
आयचो जो आमी काजू सीज केल्लो आसा, it will be approximately around 60 to 70,000. It is packed packets that we have seized today.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.